welcome to Yamu Kids TV. Learn some colors. Happy face, smiley, super. Kids, fan, yellow color fan. Okay, please subscribe my channel, kids. Please subscribe and share. Okay, kids, learn some colors. First, pink color. Which color? Pink color. Lavender color. Which color? Lavender color. Orange color. Which color? Orange. Brown color. Which color? Brown color. Sky blue color. Which color? Sky blue. Red color. Which color? Red color. Yellow color. Which color, kids? Yellow. Okay, kids, happy birthday with beer, cake, balloons, stars and beer. Beer coloring first. Yellow. Yellow color. Light yellow. Then which color? Brown color. Okay. Next, brown color. Brown color beer. Beer coloring. Brown color. Super coloring. Brown color. Super coloring. Brown. Super color. Which color, kids? Brown color. Super coloring. Brown color. Super teddy face coloring. Teddy bear face coloring. Teddy bear face brown color. Bear coloring brown. Super brown. Super. Then yellow. Yellow color. Then pink color. Which color? Pink color. Then bow design. Bow design pink. Then cake coloring. Pink color pencil coloring. Cake coloring. Pink color pencil coloring. Super design. Orange coloring. Orange. Orange coloring. Super coloring orange. Orange coloring. Super. Then red color cherries. dots. Then sky blue color. Sky blue color. Pencil coloring. Sky blue. Pencil coloring. Green color. Peach color. Candles. Green. And yellow. Yellow color. Then stars. Golden. Next, balloons. Red color balloon. Which color? Red color. Which color is red color? Super coloring. Then pink color. Which color? Pink color balloon. Which color kids? Pink color. Super coloring. Then blue color. Which color? Blue color balloon. Blue color. Balloon. Which color? Orange color. Super. Then green color. Which color? Green color. Green color balloons. Coloring. Pencil coloring. Super. And stars coloring. Sky blue star. Sky blue star. Double color stars. Yellow and sky blue color stars. Super. Okay kids, please subscribe my channel kids.